Ever tried to log into your Coinbase account only to find you've completely forgotten your password? It happens to the best of us. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just getting started, losing access can be stressful, but resetting your password on Coinbase is actually a straightforward process. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step, to get back into your account safely and securely. First, if you're already signed out, head over to the Coinbase login page. You'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account. Once you've done that, Coinbase will send a password reset link to your inbox. Be sure to check your spam folder just in case it doesn't show up in your primary inbox right away. Open up that email and click the password reset link. It's important to note that for security purposes, Coinbase might require you to use a previously trusted device to complete this process. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your funds. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new, strong password. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, you'll likely be asked to complete your two-step verification to finalize the process. Now, what if you're already signed in but just want to change your password for extra security? It's even easier. From your account dashboard, go to your settings, then to the security section. From there, you'll find an option to change password. You'll be asked to enter your current password and then create a new one. Again, you'll need to complete your two-step verification to confirm the change. Keep in mind that if you reset your password from a new or unrecognized device, Coinbase may temporarily disable crypto sends for up to 48 hours to protect your assets. This is a normal security measure, so don't be alarmed. And that's it. You've successfully reset or changed your Coinbase password. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.